I just want to be pretty. Tell me I'm pretty. Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Let's go ahead and pull up a recent purchase that I made on Amazon. Something for the beauty sector of things. It's the perfect face brush. You can see I recently purchased this. Set me back $18.99. Had really good reviews. It's patented, dual-sided. It's got some soft bristles on one side, and then it's got these jelly little fine bristles on the other side to exfoliate. $18.99 on Amazon Prime. I like that rhyme. But now it's time to get into the review. Let's get into more details. Let's break it down. We're going to look at some instructions, and then we're going to go ahead and put it to use. And I'm going to give a demonstration, and maybe it'll make Ryan a little prettier. Okay, SCHöN, I think that's how you pronounce it, not sure. Here's the steps, 8 steps. First, wash your face, get the excess dirt off. Step 2, soak the brush in water, okay? Step 3, apply your favorite cleanser, okay, to the bristle side, the soft bristle side. Then you're going to exfoliate gently, and you're going to get soaped up. You're going to get lathered up. Then you're going to flip it over, cleanse it. Then you're going to rinse and dry your face. Finally, you're going to rinse the brush. You're going to store it. Then you're going to be beautiful. Your skin is going to be radiant. Well, holy snaps. Let's just get right into this thing. I'm going to show you mine. There's my perfect brush. There it is. We're about to get this face perfect. We're about to be radiant. Well, I don't know how radiant a nearly 40-year-old man's face can look. There's the brand. But we're sure going to try. We're going to give it our best effort, okay? Now, we're going to use that bristle side first, okay? You got the bristle side, then you have the exfoliating side. Going to use that bristle side first, then we're going to exfoliate, then we're going to clean. That's exactly how you do it. Now, I'm going to use this Noir, however you pronounce it, this face scrub, exfoliating cleanser from Bath & Body Works. We're going to apply it to that bristle side, like so. Just let it ooze on out. Get liberal with it. Not safe space liberal, but use a liberal amount, okay? And you can see we're all ready to go. We're getting lathered. We're going in a circular motion just like it told me. There goes the lather. Okay, we're prepping the face right now. We're getting off a little bit of grime here. We're also setting things up. It burns a little bit. This stuff burns. This is not Johnson & Johnson, no tear stuff right here. Should have been a little more cautious with this. But it feels nice on the face. It feels like a good first step to get things clean. You know, if I wasn't burning, my eyes weren't watering at this point, it'd be a little nicer of an experience. I go ahead and I brush my beard too. I want a radiant beard. It's really burning, but I'm getting set up. I can't wait to get exfoliating with that silicone side. These little pointy silicone things we're about to put on. Check them out, man. That's really cool. Now we're exfoliating safely, gently. We're not ripping the skin off, but we're getting that dead skin off. And it feels nice. It feels like I could do this for a really long time and just enjoy myself. I get the nose, just got the forehead. Get around the temple regions. Now we're going to get in that face crease. And we're going to exfoliate the beard. We're going to go back into those little face creases. Back to the beard. There you go. Now here's the next step. We're going to go ahead and we're going to rinse this stuff off. And I can feel as I'm wiping my face, it really is smooth. It feels great. I'm really enjoying the perfect brush. Now, don't forget, towards the end of those steps, you need to rinse that perfect brush off, and then you need to store it. Rinses off nicely. I've used this many times now. It's holding up well. Am I pretty? Am I gorgeous, y'all? Perfect brush. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. Go ahead and use the link. Purchase one of those perfect brushes. You can find the link in the description in a pinned comment. Watch another one of my videos. Subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.